Introduce highlight features and quick overview of NVIDIA Jetson Nano 2GB Developer Kit. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features are included. Discover the power of AI and robotics with NVIDIA Jetson Nano 2GB Developer Kit. It's small, powerful, and priced for everyone. This means educators, students, and other enthusiasts can now easily create projects with fast and efficient AI using the entire GPU-accelerated NVIDIA software stack. Learning by doing is key for anyone new to AI and robotics, and the Jetson Nano 2GB Developer Kit is ideal for hands-on teaching and learning. Unlike online-only learning, you'll see your work on the Developer Kit, perceive and interact with the world around you in real time. Thousands of Jetson Nano developers actively contribute videos, how-tos, and open-source projects in addition to the free and comprehensive tutorials offered by NVIDIA. These start with an introductory Hello AI World, continue to robotics projects such as the open-source NVIDIA JetBot AI robot platform, and lead to the next level of robotics development with NVIDIA Isaac. All these resources are enabled by NVIDIA Jetpack, which brings to each Jetson developer the same CUDA-X software and tools used by professionals around the world. Jetpack includes a familiar Linux environment and simplifies the development process with support for cloud-native technologies such as containerization and orchestration. The Jetson Nano 2GB Developer Kit delivers incredible AI performance at a low price. It makes the world of AI and robotics accessible to everyone with the exact same software and tools used to create breakthrough AI products across all industries. There's no better way to start. If you do not understand, not sure, or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.